Today we solve exercise 2.2. It's the first question. Which of the drawing A to D show? Means the first question is a match the column. So we find look which is the correct answer you find out. Look first 2 multiply 1 by 5. What is its answer? Look 2 into 1 by 5. 2 by 5. This here we get a fraction 2 by 5. Which is the correct options for this questions? First questions correct. Match the answer. Which is the match the pair? Look at the diagram carefully and look D means look circle divided into 5 equal parts and how many parts shaded? First circle shaded one part and second circle also shaded one part, means 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5. Here look circle divided into how many equal parts? 5 equal parts. It's answer this figure. This figure, last figure D, and it's how many parts? 2 parts shaded. So its answer 2 by 5. Look first answer. First which figure? Figure D. Then how many questions? Look 2, 3, 4. It's you find out it's match the pair. And look question number 2. Some pictures A to C are given below. Tell which of them show. Here also likewise first question you find its answer also. First 3 multiply 1 by 5 is equal to 3 by 5. Which is the correct figure? You find its answer. Means next look you multiply and reduce to lowest form and convert into a mixed fractions. Here question number 3. First 7 multiply. Question number 3. First question 7 multiply 3 by 5 is equal to, look here 7 multiply 3 by 5. Look here numerator multiply numerator by the denominator. Look here what is the denominator of 7? Denominator of 7 is 1. Means a number has no denominator, its denominator is 1. So here denominator multiply denominator in numerator multiply numerator. Here look 7 multiply 3. 7 multiply 3, which what is answer? 7 3s are 21. Then by 5. Can you write its look 21 by 5. It's lowest term. Can you write lowest form? Means how to find out lowest form? Here look numerator is 21 and denominator is 5. Here any common number divided by this numerator and denominator 21 and 5 divided by any common number? No. So its lowest fraction is 21 by 5. So it's this number we can write in mixed fraction. How to write mixed fraction? 21 divided by 5. How many times? 4. Then 4 1 by 5. It's a mixed fraction. This is it clear? This is lowest form. This lowest form is mixed fraction for 1 by 5. Then look, third questions, how many questions? Balance all the questions, you can find answer one more time. One more question I will do for you. Then second question, look, 4 multiply 1 by 3. Here look, means this whole number multiply by a fraction. Means whole number multiply by a fraction. Look, first 4 multiply 1 means this 4 multiply numerator. Then which is the denominator? 3. Here 4 has no denominator. So what is its denominator? 1. Its denominator is 1. 1 multiply any number multiply by 1, we get that same number. Then 4 into 1, what is answer? 4 by 3. Look, its answer 4 by 3. This lowest form, is this lowest form? Yes, because 4 and 3 divided by any other number except 1. This 4 and 3 divided by any other number. So this 4 by 3 is lowest form, standard form. Then this which type of fraction? This is improper fraction. So this improper fraction we can convert into mixed fraction. Then 4 divided by 3. So what is its mixed fraction? 1 by 3. The next question number 4, look, half of the circle in a box. Here box is given, some circle, some pictures is given. You find out its 1 by 2 part of this box. Look, fourth question. Look, this box. In this box, how many circle is given? Total 12 circle is given. Find out first question. Look, shade half of the circle in box. How to find out half of the circle? Fourth question. First, half of the circle. Circles in box. In box, look how many circle? In box total 12 circle. So it's half means how to find out half of the circle means half multiply of means represent multiplication sign. So half of how many circle? 12. Then look, what is answer? The answer is 6. Half of the circle how many? 6. So how many circle we shaded here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is half of the circle. Now we shaded here. Then look, second 2 upon 3 means 2 by 3 of the triangle in box. This also say you find its answer yourself and shaded. And 3 also you can find answer yourself. Then question number 5. Here question number 5, look, half of 24. First question 24 and 46. One question I will do for you, balance you can find yourself. Then question number 5 means fourth question first I will read. Fourth question I did here, then balance you can find answer yourself. Then question number 5. Question number 5, look, half of 24 and 46. Half of 24. First half of 24 and second 46. This half of 24. How to find half of 24? Half of 24. Of means multiply. Of first 24. Half of 24. Look, this 24 and 2. We can cut. Means otherwise look 1 into 24. 24 by 2. 24 by 2. 24 divided by 2. How many times 2 in 24? 12. Its answer is 12. Then same as second. Half of which number? Half of 46. Half of 46 we can write 46. Then 1 into 46. 46 by 2 is equal to what is answer? How many times 2 in 46? 23. Its answer is 23. Is it clear? Half of 24 and half of 46. Then half 1 by 2 multiply 24. Then 1 into 24 we get 24. Then divided by 2. 24 divided by 2 which number? 12. Then 1 by 2 of 46. 1 by 2 multiply 46. 1 into 46, 46. Then 2. Then 46 divided by 2. How which number? 23. Is it clear? Then next question number 6. Question number 6. Multiply and expressed as mixed fraction. First we multiply and expressed as mixed fractions. Look all the questions, whole number multiply by mixed fraction. First question look 3 multiply 5 1 upon 5 is equal to, listen here, this is 3 whole number. So we write this whole number multiply. Then 5 1 by 5 which type of fraction is this? This is a mixed fraction. So this mixed fraction will come. First we convert this mixed fraction, convert into improper fraction. Then 5 into 5 25, 25 plus 1 26. 26 by which number? 5. Then next look 3 multiply 26. 3 multiply 26 which number? Look 3 2s are 18, carry 1 3, 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 7 by 5. This is look this answer 78 by 5. Look this which type of fraction? This is improper fraction. So this improper fraction convert into mixed fraction. How to convert? 78 divided by 5. How many times? 1 time 5 2 5 5s are 25 3. So how to write 15? Denominator which number? 5 and numerator 3. So it's 53 by 5. Is it clear? Then one more question I will do for you. Look, second question 5 multiply 6 3 by 5. This first question. Second question 5 multiply 6 3 upon 4. Now you look, this 5 is whole number and this 6 3 by 4. Look, this mixed fraction. So this mixed convert into improper fraction. 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 3 27 by 4. Then now you look, multiply 5 7s are 35, carry 3 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 3, 13 by 4. This is which type of fraction? This is improper fraction. So, this improper fraction we convert into mixed fraction. So, numerator divided by denominator. How many times? 3 4s are 12. The next 15. How many times? 3 4s are 12. So, what is answer here? 33. 33, 3 upon 4. Is it clear? The next question number 7. First question, find half of 1 by 2 of 2 3 by 4, and second question, half of 4 2 by 9. Is it clear? The next question number 7. Find half of which number? Look, first we can solve first question. Means half of 2 3 by 4. Then half of means which sign? Multiplication. This look, this mixed fraction. So mixed fraction convert into improper fraction. 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3 11, 11 by 4. Then look, multiply this, this are fraction, this also fraction. So look, this numerator multiply numerator and denominator multiply denominator. So 1 into 11, 11 by 2 4s are 8. So what is its answer? This is which fraction? This is improper fraction. So improper fraction convert into mixed fraction. 11 by 8. How many times? 1 time. So answer is 1 3 upon 8. Its answer. The next, half of which number? Half of 4 2 by 8. So of means we can write half multiply which number? 4 2 by 9. So half multiply, what is its improper fraction? This mixed fraction convert into improper fraction. 4 9s are 36, 36 plus 2 38 by which number? 9 is equal to multiply this number, numerator multiply numerator and denominator multiply denominator. 1 into 38, 1 into 38 answer 38 by 2 into 9, 2 into 9 80. Then this which type of fraction? This improper fraction. So this improper fraction convert into mixed fraction. So 38 divided by 80. How many times? 2 times. 2 8s are 16. Carry 1, 2 1s are 2, 36. Look, 8 minus 6 is 2, 3 minus 3 0. Then what is its mixed fraction? Quotient 2. Denominator 80. Then solve the question. First question this. The next question number 8. This is a weights problem. You read the question carefully and find its answer yourself. Then exercise 2.2. Then balance all the questions you should do yourself, and this exercise 2.2 all the questions you should write your fair copy questions and solve yourself and write your fair copy. Is it clear? Okay, thank you.